Hey Sumolings, it's Chris from AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on software for your business. Today, we're gonna talk about Sendr, the AI-powered platform that helps you create personalized outreach videos at scale. We're gonna get into who needs this tool, how it works, and how you get it set up. Plus, we're gonna hear from John, the co-founder and chief product officer over at Sendr, to walk us through 3 use cases for Sendr that you can start with today, including one that their entire team uses behind the scenes every single day. Let's get into it. Sendr was born out of necessity. Tell me if this sounds familiar. John and Dave were both in growth roles, creating personal videos for cold outreach emails, and they saw that even though the videos themselves were getting clicks, the conversion rate to actually booking meetings was low. So they built Sendr, which creates dynamic landing pages and personalized videos for every single contact. You can build a custom template in minutes using a no-code editor, record a video or audio pitch, and let Sendr generate hundreds of unique versions tailored for each recipient. Once your template is set, upload your contact list. From there, Sendr creates a custom landing page for each contact, complete with personalized video or audio. Sendr Data Studios allows you to enrich your data with elements like their LinkedIn profile or even their DISC personality assessment based on things they've posted about before. From there, you can clean and verify your contact data. Let's say you offer consulting services for HR managers. Sendr can pull in their names, where they work, and even suggest their favorite sports teams, making your outreach feel more personal. You can send hundreds of pages and videos that look like you spent all day on them in just minutes. You can also track engagement right from Sendr, so you know exactly how your outreach is performing. Now, I'm gonna kick it over to John, the co-founder and chief product officer at Sendr, to talk us through some of the top use cases and workflows that you can start implementing in your business today, including one that's been a game changer for them internally. Take it away, John.
What's up, Sumolings? My name's John. I'm the co-founder and chief product officer at Sendr, and I'm really excited to share with you 3 simple use cases on how you can use Sendr to personalize and automate your outreach. And the first one I want to kick off with is scraping a LinkedIn post, enriching the data, finding the contact information, and pushing it to your outreach tool of choice. And let me jump in and show you how that works. So it's as simple as heading over to LinkedIn, finding a post that you've got your ICP engaging in, grabbing that URL and being able to put it into the Sendr platform by copying that and then just simply selecting LinkedIn post, pasting in here, and you're going to then scrape all of the people that liked and engaged in that post. Once you've got your table, you can then run one-click enrichments from our data studio. We've built these out of our own experiences and frustrations of having to use API integrations and expensive external tools to be able to automate and clean up our data set, as well as finding the right information for the contacts that we wanted to outreach to. Everything from enriching LinkedIn profiles that you can simply in a couple of clicks run and get all of the contact information for every single prospect that was originally just from a LinkedIn profile. We're bringing in their job role, position history, profile summary, company logo, etc., and everything in between. The next one that's super powerful is we've got Sendr AI. This essentially opens up any flexibility for you to prompt anything to a specific contact. They could be writing a specific intro line for an email or a LinkedIn DM. You could be asking it to do web research based on the contact. And then everything in between. We've got personality analysis, finding competitor names, and a lot more. But what I'm going to show you really quickly here is finding email addresses. What this does is goes through all of the contacts, and it's actually going to now find all of their email addresses. We send a signal to every single email address we can find and verify and validate that's an active inbox. Once you've got that, you can then generate your pages and GIFs. And this is where the true power comes in with Sendr. Inside of our platform, we've built a no-code build that makes it extremely easy to build these personalized, on-brand pages simply by adding in variables. Like we've got sections on the left that you can use and add in these modules, then configure each section. And we've built this for salespeople, not techies. We didn't want to make this complicated or feel overwhelming, so you can really quickly spin up these personalized page templates. Okay, so here's use case number 2, and that is the Sendr Chrome extension. We've made it extremely easy to be able to send personalized video messages to contacts on the fly. So here we are, we're on Chris's page. I want to send him a quick message. Simply open the Chrome extension. I've got my pre-built template. I set that template, it's configured all of the variables automatically by scraping the name, the logo, and even his company name. I can record a new video, I can record an audio message, or I can just use the original page, click and generate link, pops up a new page, it's insert his logo, his name, and all the variables that will customize across the page. That video is personalized. It's going to introduce it as, "Hey Chris," as a dynamic audio, and the rest of the audio and the video is going to be the original. It's an extremely powerful way to be able to send one-to-one video messages without having to do the same video time and time again. And not stopping there, we've even built a Chrome extension inside of the HubSpot CRM. So say you come across a contact inside your CRM and you really wanted to quickly just drop them an email, it's a post demo call, or you want to send them a quick video message. Selecting email, you're going to see the Chrome extensions brought in this little bubble down here. You can select that, you can select the template, it's bringing in all of the contacts information, and it's then the same experience. You can quickly spin up those personalized pages for every single contact. Okay, so here we have use case 3, and this has been such a game changer for us. I'm so excited to be able to bring this to the AppSumo community, and that is our set and forget workflows. And I want to notably jump into one that I think is super exciting, and that is social listening. We have built an automation inside of Sendr, and we've got a ton more coming that we've been testing, and that is our social listening feature that specifically notifies you when keywords are mentioned across social media. So you could subscribe to the word, for example, your competitor name, or we subscribe to anyone who mentions our brand name, Sendr. It generates a page and a GIF, and then it instantly sends them a LinkedIn and DM via an automation. This is a always on automation. You don't have to keep coming back and refining it and tweaking it and keep checking it. You set it up once and you leave it. And I want to show you exactly how that works. So we use a platform called Kwatch. There is a lot of social listening tools out there. Social listening platform allows you to subscribe to the specific tool that you're wanting to be notified about. You can then select the keyword that you want to be notified, and you can create an alert. Once you've set up that alert, you can then generate a webhook, and you can configure that into a Zapier automation workflow that we've already built and configured for you. So the automation's here, you just paste in the link. You can then select the words that you want to filter this by. It's going to then connect your Sendr account to be able to generate that page dynamic video and GIF. And then it's also going to connect up to wherever you want to send it. So for one example, we use HeyReach. HeyReach is a platform that allows you to automation of LinkedIn. There's a lot of them out there, and essentially you could configure these campaigns. This campaign is notably going to be saying, hey, first name, really appreciate your recent post sharing thoughts on how to use Sendr. I've got some thoughts on how on this, and I'd record you a quick video, and it's inserting that GIF or URL. Once that's set on, it's going to send messages like this. Now, what is most exciting about this feature is the URL that's sent. First of all, can be on a custom domain. Second of all, the actual GIF that has been sent is the personalized GIF. So you can see that this GIF in a LinkedIn post, LinkedIn DM is going to be completely custom to contact. It's got their logo, their name, it's got a pulsing button. It's also got in the page title their name or any variables that you've inserted as well. This gets clicks, put it that way. Sending automations that are always on, that are fully personalized, is the new way of doing outreach, and we've got a ton more of automations that are coming to you, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. Take care for now.
Thanks, John. Sumolings, if you're ready to transform your outreach strategy and get more replies, check out Sendr on AppSumo. Plus, and I don't know if I'm allowed to do this, but if you want to get the top tried and tested cold outreach scripts that our team here at AppSumo actually uses, comment on this video and let me know. I'll see what strings I can pull.